let me do it from the top just so the audience
Yeah.
can see. So build
Yeah.
from existing listing in this case. I'm just pasting in the ASIN, hitting OK. And so what happened now is we've imported this listing as is into the listing architect. We can see the product title. We can see the keywords that it has in the title. We can see the search volume of those keywords and the relevancy.
Mhm.
Same thing across the bullet points and the description. As you can see here, it's blank. But what
Mhm.
did happen, what I keep mentioning is so SmartScout went in and it pulled in various competing products to this product. And then it's searching for the search terms for these products, inclusive of the search volume and relevancy. So when you're building from scratch, you'd put in like 5 competitors, and then based on those, SmartScout would mine out more, and it would be the same thing. You'd end up in the same position as we are right now. So really, from here, it's as simple as actually, I do like to click the advanced view because you could choose a
Mhm.
tone. So what's going to happen now is
Mm.
we're going to use the SmartScout data and combine that with you're going to use AI to modify the listing. Let's do a witty listing for fun. We click
Yes.
generate all, and then one click, and in seconds, maybe minutes, we're going to get this listing generated for you. Now, this is great if you want to test A/B things. So as you can see, like I think we almost doubled the amount of keywords used in the title. And
Mm.
then we're obviously trying to maximize the search volume and relevancy across these used keywords. And that would be the same thing across the bullet points and the
No.
description. So that's how quickly you can generate a listing. Of course, you do have to, do a sanity test or
Mhm.
check. You don't just want to go uploading this right away. If you want specific keywords, you can add them right here.
Mhm.
If you want to, if you want the AI to consider any specific prompt things, you can add it here. But really, the idea is you're very, very quickly using a really good systematic, logical approach to optimize your listing, give you a good boost for your organic SEO and indexing on that listing. If your smart scan is connected directly to your Amazon account, you can upload this listing to that ASIN right here.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you can just export it and copy and paste. So that would be pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward. Essentially, like, and if you didn't like the tone here, you could change to a formal
Wow.
tone and see how that works for you. But overall, simple tool, straightforward tool, powerful tool. Essentially, watch this, taking a listing from this that we had to something like this. So very cool.
Amazing, man. Yeah,
Oh,
quickly and within a few clicks. And Michael, tell me, man, in the keywords part, that means, let's say there's a keyword that we want the AI to use in the building of the listing. Let's say it did mine them automatically. Of course, it does a good job. However, we do know from our research or from our PPC or whatnot that there's other keywords. So we add them to the keywords section and then we click on generate all.
yes, that's exactly it. So by default, what's going to happen is we're going to max it. We're going to try to go for keywords typically that have, we're trying to maximize that bucket for search volume and relevancy. But if for
Hmm.
whatever reason you want to go more niche or have specific keywords, like you
Hmm.
said, you would just add them here, and then that
Hmm.
will be taken into consideration for the mix, kind of forced into that portfolio of keywords that we're using.
And of course, we can manually just add them to the ready copy right on the left, like if
Exactly.
like
Yeah.
without
Yeah.
doing. Yeah, yeah. Okay, pretty
And
cool, man. I
then
think that's pretty clear to me. Yeah, yeah. Please
yeah,
go on.
and then this gets saved in here. If you want to run A/B tests, you can, that makes it very easy to do so.